Hey, folks. Welcome to Demera. Ever heard of an animal name that made you go, wait, what? Like, seriously, who named these things? Today, Demera dives into the world of misleading animal names, the ones that will make you question everything you thought you knew about the animal kingdom. We're talking straight-up identity theft, animal edition. Get ready for some laughs and surprises, because some of these animals are straight-up hustlers with their misleading names. First, we have the black mamba. The name black mamba is misleading because the snake is not actually black. Its name comes from the color of the inside of its mouth, which is a deep, inky black. The snake itself is usually a shade of brown or olive. This misnomer can lead to confusion and misunderstanding about the snake's appearance and behavior. The black mamba is one of the fastest and most venomous snakes in the world, capable of reaching speeds up to 12 miles per hour. Despite its fearsome reputation, this snake is typically shy and will avoid confrontation if possible. When threatened, it flattens its neck, hisses loudly, and displays the black interior of its mouth as a warning. So the next time you hear about the black mamba, remember that it's not the snake's skin that's black, but its mouth. And while it is indeed a formidable creature, it prefers to stay hidden rather than seek out trouble. The black mamba is yet another fascinating example of nature's misleading names. At 9 is the red panda. Not a panda, but it's just as cute. This furry little creature with its reddish-brown fur and bushy tail looks like a cross between a fox and a raccoon. They're found in the Himalayas, and they spend most of their time in trees munching on bamboo. And get this, they have an extra thumb that helps them grip branches. Next, we have the sea cucumber. Sounds like a veggie, right? Something you'd find in your salad bowl. But hold up, this thing's an animal, and it ain't pretty. This sausage-shaped creature roams the ocean floor, scavenging for food. And get this, when threatened, some sea cucumbers can actually shoot out their internal organs to distract predators. Now that's what I call a defense mechanism. Next, meet the koala bear. This cuddly critter with its big ears and button nose looks like it would give the best hugs. But guess what? It's not a bear. I know, right? Shocking! Koalas are actually marsupials, just like kangaroos and wombats. They got those pouches for carrying their adorable little joeys, and they spend most of their time chilling in eucalyptus trees, munching on leaves. Next up, the prairie dog. This little animal is chilling out in the grasslands, popping up from its burrow like, "What's up, world?" But hold up, this ain't no dog, and it definitely doesn't bark. Prairie dogs are actually rodents, closer to squirrels than Fido. They got these cute little squeaks and chirps, but trust me, you won't be teaching these fellas any tricks. They're more interested in sunbathing and snacking on grass. Number 5, we have the jellyfish. It's not jelly, and definitely not a fish. It's like calling a pineapple a pine and an apple. Just plain wrong. These guys are gelatinous blobs, just vibing in the ocean. But here's a fun fact. They can glow in the dark. Yeah, you heard that right. Some jellyfish have bioluminescent organs that light up like a disco party in the deep sea. Now that's what I call entertainment. Next, we have the killer whale, also known as orca. They are often misunderstood because of their name. Despite being called killer whales, these magnificent creatures are actually members of the dolphin family. They hold the title of the largest dolphins in the world. The name killer whale originated from their reputation as formidable predators. They are known for their sophisticated hunting techniques and diverse diet, which includes fish, seals, and even whales. But don't let their name fool you. Killer whales are highly social and intelligent beings. They live in complex social structures called pods, where they communicate and coordinate with each other through a series of clicks and whistles. So, the next time you think of killer whales, remember that they are more closely related to dolphins than to whales, and their name is yet another example of a fascinating misnomer in the animal kingdom. Next up is guinea pigs. They are not pigs, nor are they from Guinea. Getting an animal name and country wrong is something to be studied. These small, furry rodents are actually native to the Andes in South America. Their misleading name comes from the fact that they were brought to Europe by way of Guinea, and their squealing sounds reminded people of pigs. Let's dive into the fascinating world of guinea pigs and uncover the truth behind their name. These adorable creatures are known for their gentle nature and have been domesticated for thousands of years. In their native regions, they are called kui and are often kept as pets or even used in traditional ceremonies. Guinea pigs communicate with a variety of sounds, from chirps to purrs, and are highly social animals. They thrive in groups and can form strong bonds with their human caretakers. So the next time you see a guinea pig, remember, they may not be pigs or from Guinea, but they are definitely one of the most charming misnomers in the animal kingdom. Our runner-up is the mountain chicken. It is not a chicken but a giant frog. And when we say giant, we mean giant. These animals can grow up to 8 inches long, which is like the size of my hand. They live in the rainforests of the Caribbean, and they're known for their loud, booming calls. And get this, they're called mountain chickens because they were considered a delicacy, and their meat apparently tastes like chicken. Personally, I'll stick to my KFC. Thank you very much. And finally, at number 1, we have the bear cat, also known as binturongs. They're neither bears nor cats. These fascinating creatures are actually part of the civet family and are native to Southeast Asia. Despite their misleading name, bear cats have a unique appearance and behavior that set them apart from both bears and cats. They have a prehensile tail, which they use to grasp branches, and they emit a scent that smells like popcorn. So the next time you hear the term bear cat, remember that it's a misnomer for this intriguing animal. And there you have it, folks. 10 animals with names that totally fooled us. Demera, stay curious.